If you've ever had trouble understanding the dialogue on a TV program, you're gonna love this product. HearLink Plus is a Bluetooth transmitter that sends the audio from the television or other sound source directly to your ears. This eliminates ambient noise, room reverberation, and other sounds which interfere with what you want to hear. You'll never need to crank up the TV volume again to enjoy the show. HearLink Plus connects directly to the sound output or set-top box on most standard TVs and other audio devices. When paired with the BeHear headset, it sends clear and crisp sound optimized to your unique hearing profile directly to your ears. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. In the top compartment, we have the HearLink Plus Quick Start Guide and the HearLink Plus itself. In the bottom compartment of the box, you will find three types of audio source connections: the 3.5mm aux cable, an RCA adapter, an optical fiber audio cable, and, of course, there is a USB charging cable as well. Now, let's take a closer look at the HearLink Plus. The LED indicator panel shows information about the connected devices, the current mode of operation, the type of audio connection, and the type of connected Bluetooth codec. It also has various buttons to control the operation modes, audio controls, Bluetooth pairing, and power. The HearLink Plus has two long-range antennas to ensure that even if you're walking around the house, you will still have a clear and continuous connection. On the side of HearLink Plus, there's a switch for different operational modes. On the back, you will find the power input, a micro USB, and the audio inputs and outputs, both aux and optical. The Quick Start Guide contains the basic information you need to start using the transmitter immediately. It describes specifically how to pair and use HearLink Plus with your BeHear headset. A more complete user guide detailing the complete functionality of the HearLink Plus can be downloaded from our website. That's it for the unboxing. For operating instructions, please watch the next video in the series. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, contact us here.